Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to create a Gantt chart by using a Excel. So today's video will be into two portions. First we'll know theoretically what is Gantt chart, post it we'll create the Gantt chart. So what is Gantt chart? Gantt chart is a project overview chart, I can say. So how it looks and all the things you can able to see in the down. So the Gantt chart is used for a project management, and it will give you the task or activity, start date and end date, duration and the status of project. So the status will be displayed in the bar chart against each line item. So, this is completely a glance of your project status, I can say. So this is the chart where we will be creating in next couple of minutes. So, post who is the founder of Gantt Chart? Gantt Chart was founded in 1890 by Karel Adamski. He's one of the engineer. So he does this for steel work in Poland, South Poland actually. He's interested in a management idea and techniques. So he want to know his own project status. That's the reason he created and post that it was enhanced by Herney Gantt. So it happened post 15 years. So he has created his own version. He is from America. Right now we are using the Gantt chart which was created by Henry Gantt because it was very easy and it is very comfortable for everybody. That's the reason we are using. And the name also given it as from his name only as Gantt chart. This is all about theoretical. Let's get into the creation part. Now we will see the creation part, the one which I have showcased you in PowerPoint. This is the same. So where I have activity, start date, end date, duration and the status on day to day. So here I have added a highlighter. If something needs to be highlighted, you can highlight that one. So we'll create the new one. For this I am copying only this details. So here what I'll do is I'll use a paste special option. I'm pasting only the values. So I'm changing the format of date. Go to format cells. In the number tab, go to custom. Instead of general, give it as date and month. Press OK. So now it got updated. Now we want to give the date to horizontal column also. So for that I'm giving as a September 1st and dragging up to 30th of September because my end of the project date is 30th of September. So now what I'll do is I'll change the alignment. To change the alignment, go to format cells and in the alignment, so here you will have a arrow symbol. Make it to 90. Press OK. So we are not able to view all the dates. So for that reason what we will do is we'll change the row height. Select this portion. Change the row height to 25. And select entire sheet and adjust it. So now we will be able to see the date details. So the entire dates is displaying here. Now I'll remove a grid lines for a better view. And I'm selecting the first row item and changing the font style and color. I'm taking this blue and making it a white color and bold. So now we want to display the status against each line item. So I'm changing to display the status. What I'll do is I'll use a if function and will give the formula. If and function also I'm using. The logical one is the date, the first date, whatever the date we are taking, and log the cell. We'll take it as greater than or equal to start date, which is C4. We are not going to log the row number, we'll log the column number only over here. Pause that, give the comma, again take this date, log the row number, column number. Now we will use a less than or equal to function, less than or equal to end date, and log this column, close it, comma, value of task is status should be displayed over here, right? For that reason I'm selecting the status, locking the F column, comma, if something is not there it should be reflected as blank. For that reason I'm quoting with a double quotes, and close the entire formula, enter it. So now it is displaying the status according to the date. We'll copy this formula to entire area. Now you are able to see the completed pending status in this Excel. We don't want to see it in the form of a completed pending, so we want to see it in the form of a graph. For that reason what we will do is we'll give the some conditional formatting over here. Select this area, go to home tab, go to condition formatting, create new rule. So use the second option, format only cells that contains. So here I am giving as the equals to, in the dialog box of edit rule description, cell value equal to completed. I'm formatting the style of it. Go to fill. Here you will find a fill effect. Choose the color. The color one I'm taking it in the light color. And the color 2 I'm using the dark color, dark red color. I'm using this pattern. Press OK and press OK. Apply it. So similarly we'll create a new rule for appending also. So I'm selecting a same format, only the cell that equal to pending. I'm formatting the fill color effect. Fill color I'm taking it as a red for it, as it is a pending. For completed I have changed as green color. Using this pattern and OK. OK. Press OK for it. So now it is displaying in the completed and pending, but I don't want to see the text. For that reason what I'm doing is going to format cells and the number, customize. Instead of general, here what I will do is I'll give the columns, give the 3 columns. Press OK. So now the text was changed into a bar chart. So next, when I'm changing my duration, it has to update the end date according to my duration. For that what I'm doing is I'm giving a formula, start date plus duration minus 1. So I'm copying the same formula to all the cells. Here I'm entering the number as a 5 the bar is changing according to date, and the end date also updated. I'm changing into a 7, it was updated till 7th. So here also I'm changing into a 10, it was updated. So this is the end date and start date format. We'll do some condition formatting for this also. So for a complete pending status, I want to give the list. So I'll go to data validation, making it as a list. I'll give as a completed, comma, pending. So now it will be having a drop down list over here. You can see the drop down. If you want to create it for activity also, you can create it. So now we want to give this color formatting. For that reason, what I'm doing is I'm selecting the area and changing it according to the color code. So here I'm selecting it, right click, go to format cells, go to fill effect. So here I'm using some light shade yellow, and the next one I'm using a dark shade yellow. I'm taking this, press OK, and the border style I'm taking this and I'm giving it to outer line border. Just press OK. So now you will able to see the border was created till here. So I want to give the border for overall. Now I have selected the area and right click, go to format cells, select the border and give it to all the sides, press OK. Now you are able to see the border got updated, but here I want the border to be available. Similarly, I'm selecting it, format cells, press OK. So here we are able to see the highlight. So we'll create that highlight in this also. Merging this two cells. So here what I'm doing is I'm giving a drop down list. For that I'm going to data validation, selecting the list, and the source is dates. Just select it. Okay. Now you will be able to see the date got updated. To customize this, go to format cells. In the number tab, go to general. Change this general to, press OK. Give some formatting to this also. Right click, format cells, and in the border select this and give this one. Go to fill color, fill effect is selecting somewhat reddish shade. The second color is dark red, using this. If you want to change any color, you guys can change it according to your requirement. I'll use this one. That's okay. Okay. And I'm changing this style and making the font somewhat bigger, making it as a book. If you see here, the highlighter was created. How it was created, we'll see here. Just select the area, and go to condition formatting, create a new rule, select the last option, use the formula to determine which cells to format, give the equal, select the date column which is G4, and remove the log button before a column, give equals, and select the highlighted date, go to format. The format fill should be in the form of this. How we will show is two sides. Just select this two sides, and if you want to add any effect, you can add it from a fill color. Suppose that, press OK. Okay. So when I'm selected a 2nd September, it was highlighted over here. When I'm changing any date, it is moving according to the date. This is how to create a highlighter. If you see here, you are able to see my formula in formula bar. I don't want to display my formula. For that reason, what I'm doing is I'm selecting my entire sheet, going to right click, go to format cells. Here you will find a protection. It was locked. Just uncheck this lock, press OK. So now what is happened? It was highlighted with the formula area. What I'll do is I'll select this area. Again, I'm going to format cells, right click and go to format cells. The protection, locked and hidden, press OK. Still it is visible, the formula. Now what I will do is I'll lock my sheet. Go to protect review tab and protect sheet. So here I'm not entering any password. If you guys want to enter any password, you can type over here. Just press OK. If you see, now there is no formula visible in this sheet. So until unless you were unprotecting, then only it will visible. Otherwise, it will not visible anything. So the highlighter is also updating according to dates. Even here also you are not able to change it. If I'm changing it to 5, it is changing. Similarly, it is updating to all the cells. So this is about a Gantt chart preparation and how it works. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Click on a bell icon for more videos.